Hey guys, welcome back. Today, got here a little, I'd say a little late. It's about 6 o'clock. I gotta go in here an hour and a half or so. So we got a little bit of time out here. But I spent most of the day cleaning and organizing. Just kind of picking everything up, hanging some stuff. Kind of show you that here in a minute. But just want to say this is probably the last video the Heeley's in. I've struck an agreement with a person. They're coming to get it tomorrow, I believe, Monday. And he seems more capable of building it right and having the means to do it properly. So I hate to see it go, but at least I know someone's gonna put the time and effort into it to do it justice, do it what it needs. Probably a lot better than I could, since it's taken me 3 years, and I'm just now to the frame on the Bronco. So I don't know if I'd ever get to that or not. But that being said, we'll get a little bit of money in our pocket. You know, we can put some towards the Bronco, and I have my eye on something. Hopefully everything will work out, and you'll see later. But we're gonna take it to the Bronco. Probably take it Heeley for a minute, just kind of go over it again. Now I actually got everything that came off of it in it. And then after that, I think we're gonna start cutting the hard lines, soft lines, disconnecting a bunch of hoses, and getting these little brackets off. I think they're screwed on, I'm not sure, but we'll look at those. Kind of getting everything that's not needed off, so we have easier access to do like I did last time, and sand and strip and grind, which hopefully we'll get to some of that today as well. Let me turn around here, kind of go over the Heeley for a minute, and then kind of show you what my plans are today. And just telling you right now, it is burning up out here. I just came out here and I'm already sweating. I think the temperature in the garage is that's cooler than the other day. It's about 90. So being here as long as I can before I need to go in or pass out one or the other. But let's look at Heeley right quick, and then we'll jump on the Bronco. We had this for about 3 or 4 years, I would say, if that long. But like I said, the engine, we turned it over before, and it seems to be free and it moves easy enough. And this is all the stuff that came with it. Got the grill, some various interior parts, a little window vents. Windshield is actually perfect. There's nothing wrong with it at all. It just needs to be cleaned. It does have a little scratch right here from the windshield wipers. But as you can see, oh, Ada. That's actually where I'm from. And that's the university here. So the person that drove this actually went to college here in Ada. I think it's the spring of 87, 88. The last time it was inspected was in 1990. The last time it was tagged in 91. So I hadn't been on the road in a long time. And this is a bunch of this miscellaneous parts. I believe that's the badges, if I'm not mistaken. I think one goes back here. Well, this will be a short video today. Forgot to hit record, so the intro and the progress we done never got recorded. So basically what we did today, since it's gonna be it, got the motor mounts. This one was stuck pretty bad, so I had to grind it down and got hit me in the face when I popped it off. But here it is. That one was stuck beyond belief. That one came up pretty easy. We got a bunch of these lines and cords taken care of. Brought the portable bandsaw out, cut this bolt, and a bunch of hammering and just not very pleasant day today. As you can see, I'm sweaty and dirty, but I do got frame pretty well clean. Do need to let me show you these little brackets. Need to go over those and kind of get y'all idea on everything. But I wish I hit record. Today's been one of them days, so sorry about the short video. But let me kind of bring you closer, kind of show you what we did. Like I said, this one we had to grind the bolt off. It's probably still hot. Anyways, that would not move or budge. So it's either rounded, a little bit rounded, but I think it was pretty much rusted on. And then we used the portable bandsaw, cut this one off. It just spun, so. And then we got all the lines off through here, all the way back. And honestly, that was all that we done, because this right here took forever and a day. Anyways, like I said, this Healey, just in case didn't get in the beginning, but this will be gone. Anyways, we got a little bit left to do. I don't know why that goes through there. These things are the clips that I absolutely hate. I don't know how they stuck them in there, but I ripped 2 of them off. I just cut the wiring harness to alleviate the rest of them. I was going to try to get back here today, but just way too hot messing with that motor mount. It doesn't seem like I've been out here very long because I didn't hit record. Anyways, motor mounts are gone. Most of the lines are gone. I'm going to try to take these off. If you have any idea on how to take those off, please let me know. But sorry about the short video today. Like I said, it's just one of them days. I don't know why, but just didn't hit record button on the camera. Kind of kicking myself now because I've been out here for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Now I gotta go in, but made some progress today. Like I said, Healey will be going tomorrow. Be some room in here unless something happens, which I'm hoping does before next week, but we'll see. But I just want to say thank you everybody that's subscribed. Videos like this are very rare. Usually I'm pretty good about actually videoing stuff. This gets me, but anyways, at least you kind of see we got some things taken care of. And like I said, I'm burning up out here. Beginning video, I think it's 90 degrees in here right now, and it rained today, so it's humidity's like through the roof. You instantly walk outside and you start sweating. But anyways, we got some stuff taken care of in the garage. Let me spin you around. Hung up my car show thingy that I took one time to the car show. Got the kiddos' bikes up. That's give you a headache instantly when you rent one of those. Did that a few times. But say goodbye to the Healey. She'll be gone. But the money, we'll do stuff with it. Just want to say thank y'all again to whoever's clicked my Amazon links below. It does help a lot with the channel. Small way to, if you like this kind of stuff, you know, to help out the build, and doesn't cost anything. Basically it is, you just click and then I get a little commission of what you buy on Amazon within 24 hours. Doesn't have to be the thing you clicked on, it can be anything. Like if you need a new laptop, you can click on the paint first and then go order your laptop, and I get a small percentage of that since technically I brought you there. So helps out a lot, and I know a lot of people are Amazon anyway, so hopefully click my links and we can progress further. But anyways, thank y'all again for sticking around. Again, sorry about the video, but I may try to come in this week and gotta make it up, do a video in the middle or something. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, thank you all for watching. I'll see you next week.